For the last decades, we have been looking for better ways to use our energy and enjoy the pleasure of driving at the same time. The carbon neutral have become a new standard for our transportation vehicles, and now solutions are also coming up to us. TREVOLA selected the best structural parts of our Japanese sports motorcycles traditions to combine into a compact mid-size two-wheeler that satisfies our ambitious riders. An aggressive look with cool design and shapes. In a city where technology emerged with new alternatives is born the SC Series Sports EV motorcycle. It is the first of its kind in Japan, but it already reached highest market shares in India from 2021. Now it is also available here in Japan for us to enjoy this ultimate experience.
Can I trust you?
TREVOLA has driven over 1,500 kilometers on the roads in Amaraki Prefecture since 2020, through winters, summers, rains, storms, and dust, to realize with time passing we have a product ready to share with you. And to better meet your needs, we propose two types of motors with 5,000 watt and a larger 8,000 watt power output. They are both able to register in Japan as less than 250cc with remarkable torque outputs that make us smile when measuring on the chassis dyno for our runs. Over 20 horsepower at the wheel with acceleration quicker than any conventional engine motorcycle in the same category. You can also appreciate all the standard function switches. On the handlebars, a digital odometer with your speed mode selection and battery voltage status. The lights and LED matching the cool design. Bright lighting without consuming your battery. And features like daylight, projector or high beams. TREVOLA order-made the three models SC Pro 5000 watt, and also the SCRS 8 8000 watt, and a touring model SC TR 100 with larger battery, all including the Japanese market options as remote keys with alarm, a Bluetooth connection to the controller to monitor on your cell phone with an app, user manual with support, and a large network of aftermarket parts to modify, upgrade or replace by yourself also. Through a choice of 4 energetic colors with candy flakes and high quality effect paint through all ABS frames. Save on gasoline, no maintenance plans. SC models are set with standard class suspension in front and adjustable in the back for your height, with the front roll rotor disc brakes to give you full control on your braking performance and safety. TREVOLA wants to offer to our riders a new way to enjoy riding sports motorcycles with performance, no engine heat, no gears, no clutch. Just control the speed and power from your hand. Connect with your motorcycle, forget the engine and feel the roads. Enjoy fresh air and silence through your journey, wherever you go, and listen to everything around you without stress. Just imagine you can fly as an explorer through your roads, hearing all what was not coming to your ears until now. Discover what we have missed for so many years because it is now available to us to enjoy with riding our machines with an improved fashion and quality of life.